All my video lectures of C programming. In today's class, we are going to say about that switch case statements. In already the previous video, we have seen what are all the decision making statements. In the decision making statements, we have a if else, nested if, and if else later, and also the switch case statements. So what is a switch statement means? The switch case statement evaluates the given expression, and based on the evaluated value, that means a certain condition, it executes the statement associated with it. So basically it is used to perform the different actions based on the different conditions. We have different cases based on the condition, the different cases are executed. So that is a switch statement. For example, consider the syntax of switch case statements is switch, that is a keyword, followed by the within bracket we have a evaluated value, that is a choice of condition, so followed by the open braces. So we have after the open braces we have a several cases. So case, that is a keyword, followed by the value 1 and colon, and after that we have a executed statements, and next we have a break statement. So each case have a set of statements and break, and finally we have a default space, default colon, and you have a set of statements and followed by the break, and finally we have the close parenthesis. So this is the syntax of switch case statement. So the rules for switch case is that in the switch case statement the case value must be the character or in type. There can be one or n number of cases. The values in the case must be unique. Each statement of the case can have a break statement. It is an optional one. The default statement is also the optional. So these are all the rules for the switch case statement. So the syntax is switch followed by an expression, and we have a open parenthesis, and next you have a set of cases. The syntax of case is the keyword followed by the evaluated value, then colon, then statements, semicolon, then followed by the break and semicolon, and next the case statements. Finally we have a default colon and default statement and close parenthesis. So the left hand side we have the flow chart for that switch case statement. In switch case, based on the expression evaluated value, the cases are executed. Either one of the cases selected and that could be executed. After that execution it come out from the switch case statement. So this is an example program for switch case statements. Suppose in that left hand side program we have we have get an variable is equal to 1. So that variable is passed as a condition as a switch. So based on the variable value the case is selected. Now the variable value is 1. So the case 1 is selected, is matched. So that could be printed. So the printf statement that case 1 is matched is printed. So this is an example of the switch case statements. So the another example is we can use the switch case in menu driven programs. For example, for consider you have an arithmetic expression like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So that could be any one of the addition operations could be executed, means we can select the switch case statement. So that program is implemented using the menu driven. So in that start with the header files and followed by the main function. We have after the main function the program is addition of operations, arithmetic operations. So you have to get the two values of a comma b and also get the value of options. So in the printf statement we are going to print the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That could be intimated to the user. These are all the operation are going to perform. So based upon the case value, evaluated value of, for example, for addition 1, subtraction 2 and multiplication 3 and division 4, based on that the case is selected. So in the switch case we can get the option from the user, either a 1, 2, 3 or 4. So that option is passed to the switch condition. So that based upon the option the cases are executed. For example, you get the option as a 2 means case 2 is evaluated. So the case 2 is belongs to the subtraction operation. So it get the two numbers and subtract the numbers and resolve the result into some other numbers. That printf statement is the subtraction of two numbers are executed, and that could be printed in the output screen. So this is an example of the switch case statements. So like that we can implement the switch cases. We can implement the menu driven programs using the switch case statements. In the switch case we have a multiple possibility based upon the evaluated condition. The cases are executed. Only one of the possible cases are executed at a time. I hope you will understand. So what is the switch case statements in the C program. Thank you.